Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix that Instagram couldn't refresh feed. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for Instagram and you need to update your Instagram application. As you can see that my Instagram is updating now. Then you need to go back and go into the settings and go into the app management and go into the app list and search for Instagram, and you need to clear storage and cache. First step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage and hit OK. After that you need to allow all permissions. Once you done that, let me check that my Instagram is up to date. So now it is updating, and after that you need to log in and your issue will be resolved. So this is a simple process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.